financial inclusion, the benefits extend well beyond the household. Women invest in their families, anchor social cohesion, and contribute directly to the long-term development. Placing women at the heart of shelter and settlements initiatives strengthens resilience not just for individuals but for entire societies. The Asia-Pacific region is among the most climate vulnerable in the world. Floods, cyclones, earthquakes, extreme heat are increasingly displacing communities and placing immense pressure on both urban and rural settlements. Climate resilience can no longer be treated as an add-on. It must be embedded into every aspect of shelter planning, from design, construction, to land use and community governance. It is in this context that Sindh offers a powerful and relevant example. In response to the devastating 2022 monsoon floods, which displaced millions of families across Sindh, the chairman of the Pakistan People's Party, Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, envisioned and directed the government of Sindh to launch the Sindh People's Housing for Flood Affectees program. Today, I can proudly say that it stands as the largest post-disaster housing reconstruction initiative in the world, with a commitment to build 2.1 million climate-resistant homes directly benefiting more than 15 million people. But the true strength of this program lies not only in its scale. Homes and land titles are being given and issued in women's names, many for the first time, strengthening dignity, security, and financial inclusion. It is a recovery designed not just to rebuild structures, but to restore lives and futures. Equally vital is sustainable settlements and social cohesion. Strong communities are not defined solely by infrastructure, but by trust, participation, and a shared sense of ownership. When people are engaged in decision-making and feel invested in their future, recovery is faster, resilience is deeper, and progress is lasting.